Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, June 14th, 2022. Well, it is a stormy morning if you're in the Philadelphia metro. It's a cloudy morning if you're in the New York City metro. And you could thank the clash between the maritime air mass that is currently over the New York City metro and pushing into the Philadelphia metro with temperatures in the mid to upper 60s along the coast and lower to mid 60s over the interior, and the tropical air mass that's in southern New Jersey, southeastern Pennsylvania, south of Philadelphia, and over the southern mid-Atlantic. We're talking about Baltimore and Washington, with temperatures are in the upper 60s to mid 70s. Now, the difference really is the humidity. Notice the dew points here are in the lower to mid 60s, even pushing into the upper 60s to the south of our boundary, and to the northeast of our boundary, well, they're in the 50s. Difference of air masses. So clearly we are setting up for a rather active day if you're in the Philadelphia metro, southeastern Pennsylvania, southern New Jersey with showers and thunderstorms. But if you're in central New Jersey on northward, well, it's going to be a big clouds here and there, a mix of sun clouds, maybe an isolated shower or two, but nothing all that severe. And the difference is going to be those winds coming in from the north and northeast, while down towards southern New Jersey, they'll start to veer more towards the west and southwest for a short time. You can see on our surface map, it sets up pretty clearly. Here's our frontal boundary. Here is one cluster of thunderstorms with a severe thunderstorm right here that is marching towards the southern coast of New Jersey, just north of Atlantic City. So this thunderstorm means business, and I've been seeing on Twitter some pretty good pictures of shelf clouds. So it's some impressive clouds associated with this line of thunderstorms, and it is packing a bit of a punch. The showers and thunderstorms elsewhere are nowhere near as severe. We have to go all the way back to Ohio to see another area of severe thunderstorms. So certainly much better news than what was the concern yesterday with a what we call an MCS, possibly a derecho. That was kind of thrown around there in some of the guidance, but none of that has materialized. We do have one cluster of severe thunderstorms, but nowhere near what the severe potential could have been with this scenario. So when we take a look at our cloud cover here, as you can see, unless you're in northern Connecticut and the central Hudson River Valley, you're dealing with cloudy skies throughout the region. This breakup in the clouds will slowly push to the southeast and get into the New York City metro, but I don't see that pushing into the Philadelphia metro at this time with the waves of showers and thunderstorms. You can see in the infrared satellite picture there is our boundary with showers and thunderstorms associated. Notice they're starting to warm here. When you have warming clouds, that means your lifting is starting to weaken, and so you're starting to see that take place here. Meanwhile, off to our west, this is a cold front that's going to be approaching by the time we get to Friday morning. This will clear out this active weather pattern and provide much better weather by the time we get to this weekend. Unless you like heat and humidity, then you might not be that much of a big fan of this weather pattern coming up. So for today, look for showers and thunderstorms in the Philadelphia metro on down through southern New Jersey, southeastern Pennsylvania, mix of sun and clouds in the New York City metro with an isolated shower possible. Temperatures will rise into the mid to upper 70s throughout the region. For tonight into tomorrow morning, look for scattered cloud cover. An isolated shower can't be ruled out, but for the most part, look for dry conditions with low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior and lower to mid 60s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, watch out for an isolated shower. Other than that, a mix of sun and clouds with high temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 70s along the coast, upper 70s to lower 80s over the interior, and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. For Thursday, a warm front will lift through the region with a few scattered showers. Other than that, look for scattered broken cloud cover. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s along the immediate coast and upper 70s to lower 80s over the interior, lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Friday, a cold front will move through. Now, the cold front will move through in the mid-morning hours with a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. Not looking at anything severe, but we're going to have a wind veer off to the west, and that's going to downslope off the Appalachians. And during the summer, the cold air behind the cold front sometimes is delayed a bit, and you get that sinking air coming off the Appalachians, which can really warm up your temperatures. So your low temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s, possibly even a few lower 70s in the urban areas. High temperatures on Friday afternoon will range from the lower to mid 80s over the interior, where we start to get that colder air building in. But in the Delaware River Valley, easily upper 80s to lower 90s, and along the coast, lower to mid 80s. So certainly a much warmer day, pretty much summer-like, for Friday. But don't get used to it, because drier air and colder air builds in by the time we get to Saturday, with scattered cloud cover and much cooler weather conditions. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior, and lower to mid 70s along the coast. On Sunday, high pressure in control with scattered cloud cover to clear skies. Low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast, mid to upper 70s in the Delaware River Valley. On Monday, high pressure passes over the region with light and variable winds and clear skies. Look for lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. And on Tuesday, a warm front will slowly move through the region with scattered showers expected. Some of these could produce some heavier downpours. Look for lows in the lower to mid 50s over the interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid 70s along the coast, mid to upper 70s over the interior, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.